I go ahead and pick up the condensed glue gel from the Crystal Trifecta. And then up lines on and tie the nails. You know what? It's just a background for this one. It looks nice though. And floating with the no wipe top coat. I would suggest doing this one with the top coat shiny instead of matte, because it's gonna give it like the complements for the Diamond Dust Pixie. So you get a Diamond Dust Pixie out, and then also get ready for extra tray right here. And then I need this too. Getting the clock right in the middle. You can do on the top or wherever you would like to. And this is the from Ultimate Crystal Kit. So I'm gonna alternate using the crystal like cover goldens and golden champagnes and the obsidian, I think. Same thing with this one. And alternate it. Like this one I did golden, and then down here I did obsidian first. You can do however way you like, okay? And you can continue on and on as you prefer. So now I'm ready for the Diamond Dust Pixie. So when you do this one, for instance, if you're doing for yourself or your clients, make sure you're holding the tray right underneath of the client's nail, so then to catching all of the excess of Diamond Dust Pixie that is not adheres to the nail, so you can use it for the future application. Give it a good tap. And tape of it in. Make sure on the side there's not extra ones that are hanging there. Okay, it is still wet. That's the gels that is not here. You can adjusting a little bit as you prefer. All right, so I am go ahead and cure for 60 seconds.